What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. I don't know if you all seen the comment in my video I posted last night, but someone commented and said I did absolutely nothing for them. They gave me 3 months. Um, anyway, this is their file, and I'm not sure how blurry this will be, but as you can see, only one payment was paid. All the other payments were failed. And the only reason I'm showing y'all this is because I do not like negativity that is not true. Now, had she actually paid me for 3 months and I got nothing done, I could see her being a little upset, but also the fact that you would be willing to give up after just 90 days, that shows a lot about how serious you are. And this is not me calling you out or anything like that. If you want to sign up, you're more than welcome to sign up again. But like I said in my comments, unfortunately, I don't work for free. I have bills just like everybody else, and this is my only source of income. So yeah, if you have any questions, just comment below. I hope y'all have a great day.